When it comes to custom construction, it can often lead to absolutely beautiful custom homes, or it can be very custom structural work that should never have even happened and you have no idea why it's still standing. And this is a case of really messed up custom construction. So this was the original section of the house. They then later on added a deck, and when they added on that deck, they took the floor joists and just nailed them into the old cedar siding. When they changed that deck to living space, they never did anything to change the structural integrity of that space. So the whole house on this section has been standing by nails driven into old siding. I have no idea how it's still standing, but we're gonna make sure we reinforce that properly by installing square stock steel beam down that whole length, picking up the weight of the joists. So now the connection from those joists into the siding is irrelevant